Anna, and today we're going to make a 12-ounce Edgy Tumbler. The first thing I'm going to do is grab a design from Southern Strands. She is one of our featured designers over at PNW Blanks, and as soon as she released these silly safari designs, I fell in love. They are a great and adorable design for kids. So I'm going to add a couple of them to my cart, and then you'll see that my total goes from $4 down to $0 because I have her All Access Pass. So with her All Access Pass, I'm able to download anything I want on her site for free. My next step is to get these designs uploaded into Affinity Designer, and I already have my rectangle set up to the template of my Edgy Tumbler, so it's already set to size. I just have to adjust the images to fit within that rectangle. And of course, I'm going to add a little personalization because personalization equals premium products for my customers. I try to stick with more of a cutesy print font for kids. So once I find something I like, I'm going to duplicate it and go ahead and print. Once my designs are printed, it's time to get my press set up. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust the pressure. I had previously pressed a 20-ounce tumbler, and the 12-ounce Edgy is significantly smaller, so I need to make sure to adjust the pressure accordingly to work for my 12-ounce tumbler. Once I get that all set up, it's time to wrap it. I'm going to use my roly-poly tool to help me wrap my transfer onto my tumbler, and 3 pieces of tape is all I need. I have a slight overhang on the top and bottom because it's completely flat, so it doesn't matter. And into the press she goes. Once it counts down, I'm going to go ahead and rotate it 180 degrees and then press it again. After that press, it's time to take a peek. Make sure we don't have any white spots, and it looks fantastic. So we'll unwrap and unveil our silly sloth with those vibrant colors. Make sure to head on over to Southern Strands as she's giving away freebies all month long in March. And shop blanks and equipment at pnwblanks.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!